everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a chocolate cheesecake, but it will be swirl with roasted wattle seed in white chocolate. This is one of the recipe I have developed when experimenting and developing some recipes using Australian native ingredients. This recipe is very popular among my friend circles who have tasted it. This is very similar like other cheesecake, so at first I will need to make the cheesecake base. Here I have got the crushed biscuit. With this one I am using Oreo. You can use any other sweet biscuit you like and suitable with your dietary requirements. And here I have got butter. I will need to melt it. I will melt the butter in the microwave on 50% power, 15 seconds blast at a time until it is totally melted. The reason I will use 50% power just to stop the butter spitting inside the microwave, and it will save my some washing and cleaning up inside the microwave. Yeah, I have got the melted butter going in the crushed biscuit. And I will just mix it really quickly, just to put in on the base where I will set my cake. Alright, mixed enough. Now I will put all on the base, and I will use back of the spoon to spread the butter and crushed biscuit mixture. Now I will whip the cream with little bit of vanilla just for the flavor, and I will whip it little bit not soft whipped, bit tough whipped cream. I have whipped the cream already. It is really little bit of hard whipped, and also I have added hot water into the gelatin to melt the gelatin for the dark chocolate, that portion, and here is another portion for the white chocolate portion. And now I will melt the chocolate at first in the microwave the same way, 50% power, 15 seconds at a time, to avoid overheating the chocolate so that it looks nice, shiny and glossy. Here I have got melted dark chocolate. I have got here melted white chocolate, and in this melted white chocolate I have already poured the wattle seed, and let the wattle seed, this wattle seed actually roasted and finely crushed, and for a few minutes it will sit in the white chocolate mixture, and in the meantime I will beat the cream cheese, sugar and vanilla. This cream cheese is already at room temperature. I will beat it only just it is smooth. Here I have beaten the cream cheese, sugar and vanilla until it is smooth, and in this mixture now I will add roughly 1/3 of the whipped cream. Beat again, and then next time I will add rest of the whipped cream. After I have added 1/3 of the whipped cream, mix it. It is not that thick and stiff like the cream cheese. Now I will add rest of the whipped cream and beat it again until just mixed. You will find that mixture will be just not really liquid consistency or creamy, or sorry, it's better to say not really thin creamy, but it will hold bit of shape as well. Now here you can see I have whipped up all the whipped cream and the cream cheese mixture. It is ready to go, and now at this stage what I will do, you will need to be fairly bit quicker. From this mixture estimated roughly 1/3 put in your white chocolate mixture. and give it a bit of mix, and also at the same time the gelatin you have got for the white chocolate mixture, mix it until it is smooth. It may take a little bit of time, but it's fine. It may look a little bit, consistency may look a little bit liquid, but that's all right, as when I will do the dark chocolate and other mixture, it will start setting. Now here, rest of the whipped cream cheese mixture, it is roughly 2/3 of the portion, and with this one what I will do, I will use the bitter to make it faster, the mixture. Now in here I will pour all the dark chocolate, melted dark chocolate, and of course I will use the spatula to scrape down as much as I can, and I will use the same spatula to mix the melted chocolate in my cream cheese mixture, and try to be as quick as possible and organized from this stage, that when you have started mixing the chocolate in your cream cheese mixture and the gelatin, melted gelatin, just try to be quick as well. And on my side at the same time you can see that I have got the cheesecake base already on my serving platter. So what I do, I just release the base from the tray, and before I set my cake I put it on the serving dish so that I can minimize handling the full cake, because it gets really heavy and there is a fairly pretty big chance the cake may split or break. So what I will do, I will put portion of dark chocolate here and there on the base, and in between I will pour this white chocolate and wattle seed mixture on the base, just to get a swirl effect roughly. And again another portion of dark chocolate filling, just uneven. It does not, there is no rule that in what order you will do, because at the end it will create that swirl effect. And now here you can see I have got all the white chocolate wattle seed mixture, dark chocolate mixture as well, and now just back of the spoon, just give it a little bit of stir uneven here and there to create some marble effect. Just make sure you are not really scratching the bottom of the cake, which is the cheesecake base. And when you have got this one, and this full cheesecake will go in the fridge for several hours, 4 to 5 hours, or usually I put overnight, and it will be set. Here is the cheesecake. It was in the fridge nearly 6 hours, so it has set properly. It has beautiful nutty roasted flavor from the roasted wattle seed, and well balanced with the chocolate and other flavor in this cheesecake. It is just a basic recipe, I would say, but of course you have to go in your own way, what you like, to create your own flavor. If you cannot access to wattle seed, you can use black sesame seed bit roasted, or toast it on dry pan. Then you will get that toasted nutty flavor from the sesame seed, and also black sesame seed will give some look, a different pattern. And also you can use black chia seed, but of course only chia seed, it does not have any flavor on its own, but it is healthy. I believe you will be able to try this cheesecake at home. If you like this video and if you like this recipe, please leave a like, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. The recipe will be down the video, the detailed recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, bye.